Blackberry.
Alright, he's over that line now, Rod.
I actually take a video.
What we got here? Some freaking fish. Yeah, it's a nice size magpie.
Oh,
Nice.
Dolphin.
Back up, please. Yep.
Yeah. What angle here? So don't just keep on.
Nice. Yeah, you get a camera.
Keep on jumping.
What you guys want? Yeah, man. Just keep that pole nice and tight.
Here it comes.
Don't want to press it on that rod. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
That one you want to get the fish.
Oh yeah. Nice.